Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to get started, how to get registered with eDinar. First of all, you'll get a link from your sponsor which will look something like this via email. If you click on that link, that should take you to a dialog box like this. Now make sure that the link is from your sponsor by checking the email. You can register using one of these social media methods, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to show you how to register with using your email. If you put your email address in this box, make sure you don't use Hotmail or Live because we seem to be having problems with that at the moment. So use something like Gmail, and then you put your telephone number in here. Now if it's UK, then you just put 44 and then the rest of your number without the 0. The plus is already in there, so you don't need to put that in. And then just create a password that's got at least 8 digits, and some of them are numbers as well. Hit the authorize button, and that will send you an email to your email account. You need to click on that email to authorize it, and then go back to the website and log in. And now you'll see the login box like this. Put in the email address that you registered with and the password and hit login. What happens next is a box appears below that saying PIN has been sent to your email. So check your email account again and you'll see a 6-digit PIN that'll appeared. Check if it goes into Gmail, it might go into a different tab. It might go into another box like update, so check in there. Get the 6-digit PIN, type it in, and then log in. Then another little box will appear asking you, do you want to add your IP? Click yes, and that will whitelist your IP address so you don't have to use the PIN code again. Every time you log in from a different place, it will ask you, do you want to add the IP? And it's up to you if you want to add it or not. It just means it saves you having to log in, use the PIN code again and again. If you get the PIN code wrong, or for some reason something happens and you try log in again, you will get another PIN code sent to you. Use the last PIN code, don't use the first one, because if you try log in with the first PIN code a second time, it will refuse you, and if you do that 3 times it will block you for about an hour. So make sure you delete all the PIN codes, so every time you get a new PIN code it's a new one and not a previous one. Once you've logged in, you'll get a profile where you fill in your details. So just put in your name, select the country that you live in, put your city in. I put in the actual street area, the street area and the postcode in, but it doesn't actually ask you for postcode, but I put that in anyway. And then the date of birth box is a bit funny because it comes up with a calendar, which means you have to go through every month back into the last century to when you were born. So what I do is put in the month first, so 03, let's say that's the month, and then the date, 22nd, because this is American format, and then the 4 digits for the year that you were born in. You don't need to do anything with a password because you've already created one, and then just hit update and that's it. You're in the system and that's all there is to it. If you've got any questions, get back to the person who showed you this.